With chronic pain, modern medicine doesn't attack the root cause. It just makes people a little dull and stupid so they don't feel the pain. With chronic pain, it's important to realize your triggers. What makes your pain come on? Stop doing it. What alleviates your pain? Is it ice? Is it moist heat? Is it a bubble bath? Do that more. Foods can aggravate your symptoms that have inflammatory effects, such as onions, caffeine, tomato sauce products, peppers. You want foods that are natural anti-inflammatories like garlic, ginger root, and cilantro. It's also important with the pain to reduce the cellular inflammation, reduce your toxins, and also replenish your depleted collagen makes up your bones, muscles, ligaments, and tendons. It's important to replenish the collagen with a liquid collagen because powders and vegan ones just simply don't work.